Chef Mr. West, and welcome back to the cooking channel.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so as you can see there, the red peas, red kidney beans, bubbling nicely. Now we're getting ready to put in the coconut milk. Just give you a glimpse of it. There it is. The coconut is already grated and juice. So that's the milk there. We're going to pour it in now into the peas. There it is. See how rich that is? That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. That's the coconut juice there, the coconut milk for the rice and peas. And of course, now we're going to put some natural seasoning down in there for the rice and peas too. Red onion, yellow onion. We have some green bell pepper. All of this is going to boil down in there. Give that rice and peas a very good flavor. Of course, we're going to put some more stuff in there. We're going to put some minced garlic. And of course, we have to put sometimes I do forget. So let me do it now. We're going to put some ginger in there. Is it ginger? That's the ginger here. Ginger. Ginger is very good. It's good for anything. You can all put ginger also into curry and stuff like that, because the ginger prevents, like if the coconut, say the coconut is not 100% fresh and it have a tendency to hurt your belly, the ginger will prevent that. So ginger is already blended up. So I put 1 teaspoon there. Put another. Very good. So just stay tuned. Look at that. As you can see the peas there bubbling nicely with with all that. We'll put some natural seasoning there. Dry seasoning, that is, all purpose. Mix with the season to the bone, and now put some garlic, minced garlic, that minced garlic. Do that after. I put it now, put a little butter. Gonna put some paprika. You can just sprinkle a little in there. Paprika. Little piece of butter in there. Paprika there. We have some Danio here. This is low sodium seasoning, orange peel, all sort of stuff. Mix up with this seasoning here. This dry seasoning, sprinkle it in there. Not too much, right there. What else we have? I think we have. We can put some cayenne, ground cayenne red pepper. But this thing, trust me when I tell you, this thing is spicy. So we'll just put a pinch. Let me give you a little glimpse as to, that's a pinch there. See how big the spoon is? Just a little bit. You don't want it to spoil. And for good measure, and for more flavor, we're gonna put some of the wet jerk seasoning, Jamaican jerk seasoning. Gonna put a little of that in there. As I say it all the time, just a pinch. Right there, on the tip of the fork, pinch of where's that jerk seasoning there, and we're done for now. So just gonna put the lid back on and let it stay there. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments. God bless you. Catch you on the other side. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so welcome back. Now we're getting ready, washing the rice here. Parboiled rice is the rice of choice today. There it is. Look at that. It's ready now, so we're going to put it in. So just stay tuned. Yes, yes, yes. Welcome back. As you can see, that richness with that coconut milk from thing is well seasoned with all that natural seasoning and that dry seasoning, seasoned to the bone. All that stuff is in there. All purpose seasoning, thyme leaves, of all of that good stuff in there. Then we're going to use the fork here now and just turn it up a little bit, stir it up. So stay tuned. Yes, yes, yes. So that is coming along nicely. Look at that. Let me turn it over a little so you can see. There it is. Parboiled rice it is. It's red rice and rooster day. There's rice and peas and chicken. And most of the times when you cook chicken, it can either be brown stew chicken or it can be fried chicken. Today we're going to do the fried chicken. So just stay tuned. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so there's the chicken, all seasoned. Let me turn it over a little bit. There it is for two of us. We're going to flour it and we're not going to deep fry it. We're going to shallow fry it because we're not going to put it in the deep fryer. But it's going to be the same fried chicken. You'll see, we'll let you see the result when it's done. So stay tuned and God bless you. Catch you on the other side. Shallow fry it is. Red rice and rooster. Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. So we're getting ready to flour the chicken now. The flour there, it's already seasoned and everything. Put a few pieces in there and let it go properly. There it is. So stay tuned and we'll let you continue to see the progress. So there we have the rice. Looking all good. So just stay tuned. Yes, yes, yes. Welcome back. Look at that. Isn't that looking good? So remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments. God bless you, and we'll catch you on the other side. Yes, yes, yes. Chicken coming along nicely there. Like I said, we're not doing the deep fry. We're just doing the shallow fry, but same result. Look at that. Red rice and rooster, rice and peas and chicken. That's what is going down today. If you're watching this video for the first time, you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe today. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much, and we pray that you'll continue the ride with us. God bless you. We love you. Stay tuned. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, look at that. There's the rice and peas. And of course, like I said before, it's the parboiled rice. That's the rice of choice. So it's coming along nicely. As you can see, the grain there, it's not too soft. It's like real shelly, it's parboiled. So that's what is going on. Now stay tuned. And the chicken is bubbling down here nicely now. Look, looking real good. Really a good look there. Look at that. I'm not sure yet, but I might just put it in the oven a little bit to get rid of some of this oil because we give it that shallow fry, not that deep fry. So it's good still, but we might just put it in the oven to about maybe 10-15 minutes or so. So just stay tuned. Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. So now I'm taking out the chicken here to put in the oven. So piece parchment paper there. Look at that. So that's what that looks like there. The oven is already on 350. Gonna put it there maybe about 15-20 minutes, and then we'll be ready. So stay tuned. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So there we have the salad. We have some shredded carrots, romaine lettuce, some red onion there, sliced up. Also, we have some tomato. That's our salad. Red rice and rooster with salad. That's it. Garden salad. Stay tuned. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. So here I have the chicken. I just take it out of the oven there, put it on the oven door. Look at that. Looking all good. There it is. I fried thing, shallow fried it first and then put it in the oven. Look at that. Keep it in there for another 5-7 minutes. So stay tuned. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Dinner is served. Yes, yes, yes. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments. God bless you. Catch you in our next video. Bye. We love you.
Don't look when you get the sunset. Why are you looking for the sunset for the My dad made me duck. She gonna become a TikTok. Yeah, TikTok people like that, yeah.